Hello and welcome to another edition of Thai Trains and Railways. I'm standing right outside this beautiful building which is Lampang railway station, and we're going to take a look around both the main station building, which is here on this side of the tracks, and wander over to the other side of the tracks because there's some maintenance depot yard and a turntable as well, so we'll take a look around at that. But first, just a little tiny bit of information and history about this station. It was built in 1915 and was actually the northernmost terminus of the Northern Line that came out from Bangkok, before they then extended the line to Chiang Mai in 1922, I think. You can watch a video all about Chiang Mai station up in the top right hand corner. But the first train to actually arrive here was on the 1st of April 1916, when the King arrived to officially declare that the line was open, and all the stations on the line for that matter. So we're going to take a look around and see what's what. So I think Lampang station is about 600 and can't remember what it said now. I'll put it on the screen how many kilometers we are away from Bangkok. And I think we're about 90 odd kilometers from Chiang Mai, but that's by road. It's a lot longer by train because it has to go through a mountain range called the Kuntan Mountains. Very scenic actually. This is a beautiful station actually. I mean, I just love the stations here. I mean, look at all these ornaments, and the trees are even lovely. Cropped trees, flowers, flags, little water features, and all these little these little animals. I mean, we can cross over here. Let's just take a look both ways, of course. Safety first. I mean, little pigs and rabbits and guinea pigs, and it's like, why? And this on the other side of the tracks, which you can walk over here, is where they do maintenance on locos. They've got a turntable and engine shed over there, which we'll take a look around in a second. And just down there, I don't know if you can make it out on the video, that's the Black Bridge After we visited the station here, we're going to wander down there. There's a little park, and the bridge is quite a landmark here in Lampang, so we'll take a look at that in a minute. So I've just come into the main sort of maintenance depot place, and it looks more like a museum. It's just beautiful here. I mean, look, they've got a horse and cart model over there, and a model wagon. Well, not a model wagon, but a real one. And gardens and fountains. And then they've got a loco here. Say, according to Google Maps, this is actually a loco maintenance site. So here you can see they come off. I'll just pan round. But there's a sidings here off the main track. And the station's on the other side. So they get these locos coming in here on this branch line, not the actual line that the loco's on. And then they've got this turntable. And obviously then they go into this wonderful semicircular maintenance shed. And I thought this was a wagon, but it's not. It's actually a carriage, very small carriage. Let's see if I can get up using one arm. But it's got seats in it, and wooden bench seats. It looks pretty old to me. I just wonder if the workers, they used to ferry around the workers in this back in the day. I've got a picture here of the Kuntan tunnel, which at the moment is still Thailand's longest tunnel. And you can see a video all about Kuntan station and the tunnel, as well as what's called the White Bridge, which is a famous landmark in the local area. Up in the top right hand corner now, because I've done a video all about that station and tunnel. They've even got a little fitness centre here for the workers. I would have thought if they worked hard enough they would be pretty fit anyway, but it's good timing. We've just got a train just coming down here, and it's a commuter train. It's not, I don't believe it's a long distance train. So I've just come down a little road from the maintenance shed, and little museum. And we've got these really lovely old wooden buildings that must date back to when the station was first built, and I think they must be connected to the state railways of Thailand for workers. So we're in this park, which is right by the Black Bridge here. Unfortunately, they're still turning this park into having more exhibits. So there might be some construction noise going on behind me and some banging, as you can hear now. But that's the Black Bridge there. And I believe it was painted black. This isn't the original bridge. This was built after World War II. But apparently I think the locals painted it black to try and stop it being bombed by the Allies during the war. But it's quite a landmark here in Lampang, as I said before. They've actually got a steam loco over here, which I think if I get back on the road I'll film from outside. And then they've got a couple of old carriages. So you can walk along the side of the Black Bridge here. And this direction's towards Chiang Mai. And this direction's back towards Lampang station. They're certainly doing a good job. Looks like it's going to be a really nice park here. We've even got some kind of track going round here. And the bridge here, it crosses over the Wang River. This is the main river that runs through Lampang. And that's where I'm going to leave off this video for now. If you like it, then give me a big thumbs up, and why not subscribe to my channel down below. Until the next video, see you later.